how to send money from Western Union to India. Load up the Western Union app, click on menu in the top right, and then you want to select send money. Here you will need to click on the current country and you just want to find India from the list. After you select India, you will need to type the amount which you want to send. For example, let's do $15. Now, what this is going to display are going to be the different payment methods. So you can send money to a person's bank account. You can do cash pickup, which basically means that the person is going to need to go to a physical Western Union location, or you can use UPI. Now, once you have selected the receiver's payment method, then you will need to select how you want to pay. So you have the option of using a credit card, which is going to have a small fee attached to it. You can do bank account, and it's going to take 0 to 4 business days, but it will have no fee. You can also do Apple Pay credit card or debit card, or debit card directly here, and the money is gonna appear almost instantly and it's gonna have no fee. So debit card currently is gonna be the best option. Now you wanna read through this, protect yourself from fraud. So make sure you are not getting scammed, and you just wanna click on accept. Now you will provide the receiver's information, so first name, surname, middle name, and then you will select their bank. So click on select bank, and for example, let's do State Bank of India. Now for that bank you will need to provide the SC code, which is going to be 11 characters long, their account number, and also you will need to re-enter their account number. Afterwards you will select a purpose for this transfer. So why are you sending the money? Afterwards you will click on add, then you just got to verify your payment information. It's going to take the money from your payment method, and then it's going to send it over to the receiver in India. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.